This 2005 Chevrolet Astro Cargo van is brought to you by Original Owner Autos, Inc. For sale, we have a reliable 4.3-liter Astro van for cargo or commercial. This van has plenty of new maintenance such as new brakes front and rear, alternator, windshield and more. Spacious and handy UNAMP, number 39, LL. Wonder what you were doing without one all this time? Good driver, all the door work, AC, heating, CT, still a professional and presentable and van for service, low miles 170k, many more miles left in it. These 4.3-liter engine can last as long as you maintain them, and they have great power and economy. These vans are a great alternative to spending $10,000 on a Sprinter van or something to do the same job. We do offer financing. Apply on our site and we can go for a same-day approval. Please feel free to give us a call for more details at 612-643-1696. Thank you. New brakes front and rear, alternator, rear diff bearing kit, front wheel bearing all just replaced. Cost $2,000. Visit us at originalautos.com.